Namaskar. This is YouTube channel of Kuber Entertainment and I, Vaidya Rama Khataukar, welcome to all my students of Ayurveda in the e-learning project. Our subject is Ayurvedic Strirog Prasuti Tantra. We are continuing the previous topic of Garbhini Paricharya in this part 2. It includes the Ayurvedic description of fetal growth and development and the reflecting signs on the mother. A short revision. We have learned about the meaning of Paricharya, province of Garbhini Paricharya, necessity and importance of Garbhini Paricharya, its classification, general management with Pathya about Ahar, Vihar and Aushadhi. Samanya or general Paricharya is supposed to be followed throughout the pregnancy. The rules are same in all months. Masanumasik Paricharya means rules which are set differently for each month. Along with this topic, we are going to discuss about benefits of following this Paricharya. Masanumasik Paricharya is one of the specialties of Ayurveda. The fetal growth and development differs in every month, and the effect of this reflects in signs and symptoms of Garbhini. So, keeping in mind about these things, some directives about food and behavior are also changed, and these different directives are called Masanumasik Paricharya. These rules are supposed to be followed along with general rules or Samanya Paricharya. That means we are going to study about the fetal development and the signs of pregnancy along with Paricharya in this episode. Fetal development in first month. Avyakta prathame masi saptahat kalali bhavet. The initial stage of fetus is very minute, and after 1 week it takes a semi-solid form that is called kalala. Sarva Gunavan. It has all properties of human in minute form. Samurchita with no movements. Sarva Dhatu Kalushikrita. All elements are mixed with each other. Khetabhut, like a mixture ball. Avyakta Vigraha. Different organs are not separated from each other. Sadasad Bhutanga Avayava. All external and internal organs exist in Sukshma minute form but not visible. This is a diagrammatic representation of the description we just have seen. The same development in first month seen with the help of ultrasonography. Vyaktagarbha Lakshanani, that are signs and symptoms of pregnancy. Amenorrhea, watering of mouth, anorexia, vomiting, loss of taste, desire of sore objects, affection to good and bad both, heaviness of body, drowsiness, formation of breast milk, breast enlargement and heaviness, darkness of areola and lips, pedal edema, appearance of linea nigra, laxity of reproductive tract, heaviness of eyelids, and lastly, unliking for even good fragrances. विशेषतः च गर्भिणी प्रथम द्वितीय तृतीय मासेषु मधुर शीत द्रवप्रायम आहारम उपसेवेत. Keeping in mind the development of liquid and semi-solid forms in fetus and nausea vomiting of the mother, diet mainly including Dravarupa, Shitavirya and Madhura Ras is recommended in first 3 months. Satmyam eva cha punah bhojanam sayam pratah cha bhunjeta. The diet, which is familiar and proved to be non-allergic, is recommended in the morning and evening. Kshiram anupaskritam matravat sheetam kale kale pibet. Especially unprocessed milk is recommended to be taken in less quantity and frequently. Tasmin api cha adyam dvadasharatram kshirodbhavam sarpi शालिपर्णी पलाशाभ्याम श्रुतम कनक रजतक वथितम शीतोदकम अनुपानम पिबेत. Especially in first 12 days, it is directed to take sarpi directly expressed from milk, which is processed in Shaliparani and Palasha Snehapak Kalka. Anupan should be water boiled with gold and silver. Garbham Pusavananyatra Purvam Vyakte Prayojayat. The most debatable point is mentioned here. In the commentary, the explanation of the word Pusavan is Gunavan Putraha Gunavati Chakanya. Fetal sex is not confirmly found within 8 weeks, so it is said Purvam Vyakte. This point has many angles and needs more research on this. We are just taking notice that this point is mentioned in Garbhini Paricharya. द्वितीये मासी कललात् घनः पेशी अथवा अर्बुदम पुंस्त्रीक्लीबः क्रमात्तेभ्यः 50 दिने संप्राप्ते अंकुराणां च संभवः. 2 points are discussed here. First is the semi-solid form in the first month now takes a solid form, and the second one is up to 58th day there appears sproutings at the places of extremities and head. A strange point is discussed in all the main classics is there is a relation between the shape of this solid form and fetal sex. If it is round, baby will be male. If oval shape, baby will be female. And if the solid is in uneven form, it will form a transgender baby. Research work is expected on this amazing description made before thousands of years and how they knew this. Here we can see the ultrasonographic image of 8 weeks fetus. Nausea, vomiting and other symptoms described previously are seen in more or less intensity in first 3 months. द्वितीये मासे क्षीरम एव च मधुरौषध सिद्धम. In second month, the Kshirapak prepared with Madhuraushadhi is specially advised. For example, the drugs described in Jivaniya Gan, Kakoli and others, Yashtimadhu, Shatavari, Ashwagandha, etc. तृतीये मासी युगपत् निर्वर्तन्ते यथाक्रमं प्रस्पन्दयते चेतयति वेदना च अवबुद्धयते सूक्ष्मप्रव्यक्तकरणाः तृतीये तु मनः अधिकः. काश्यप संहिता. व्यक्ति भवति मासे अस्य तृतीयं गात्रपञ्चकं मूर्धाद्वै सक्थिनी बाहु सर्वसूक्ष्माङ्गजन्म च सर्वम् एव हि मूर्धाद्यैः ज्ञानं च सुखदुःखयोः. Fetal development in third month. Appearance of head and limbs, visible existence of all the internal and external organs, knowledge of happiness, sadness and pain because of existence of senses and mind, quavering and movements. It is a point to think that how they knew about these things which are proved by modern science today. Here we can see the USG image of 12 weeks fetus. Paricharya in third month. Milk prepared with honey and ghrut, continuation of Madhur Sheet Dravapraya Ahar, Shashtishali species of rice mixed with milk and krushara made with rice and pulses. In this way, we have seen the glimpse of Ayurvedic description of fetal development, symptoms in the mother and Paricharya in the first trimester. In the next episode, we will continue with the same topic. Your queries and suggestions are most welcome. The links of previous episodes are given in the description box. If you are finding these videos useful, please convey me by giving your likes. So, see you in the next episode. Thank you and take care.